A psycho-physiological approach to the opening of the lodge in the first degree. Chapter 1. Assigned duties from office bearers of the lodge to the psycho-physiologic functions of man. Originally written by Brother Arthur E. Powell in 1926, revised and produced in audiovisual form by Brother Ayer Ramos in 2025. It is the call of the Master, the chosen, duly elected and properly installed, the accepted leader and representative of the highest tenets of the craft. His call affirms brotherhood, invites cooperation, announces that action is intended at opening or unfolding of the lodge, that body of which every brother is by his own free will and accord an integral part. Of the many ways in which interpretation of the opening have been sought, we propose to select one, that of the microcosm of the individual man or mason. We shall endeavor to relate every office bearer to some clearly defined element in the psycho-physiological structure of man, and to invest each phrase of the opening ceremony with a meaning appropriate of the marshalling of each man's power and faculties, that he may prepare himself to undertake any actions. For the more complete presentation of our thesis, we are compelled to draw on Eastern science, for in it we find a far fuller and more complete analysis of the makeup of man's being. If we avail ourselves of the Buddhist and Hindu analysis, which has now been made familiar in the West, we may tabulate our correspondent as follows: the right worshipful master, equating to wisdom; the senior warden for strength of will; the junior warden, or the beauty of the creative; senior deacon for reason and intelligence. Junior deacon represents desire or feeling. Inner guard for physical vitality or brain. Outer guard represents the physical body. Worshipful immediate past master, equating mature wisdom derived from past acts and built into the nature. It is important to note that the essential difference between the worshipful immediate past master and the other office bearers of the lodge is that the former represents actuality, completed and realized. The latter represents potentiality. The office of the immediate past master stands for what man has done. Other offices stand for what man can do. Next, Chapter 2. From the Master to the Tyler.